Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, black color, dark green color, sky blue color, brown color, purple color, red color, orange color, light green color, dark blue color, pink color, yellow color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Violet color. A. A for X. A, X, E. X. Light green color. B. B for bus. B, U, S. Bus. Sky blue color. C. C for cake. C, A, K, E. Cake. Red color. Number 1. O and E. 1. Orange color. Number 2. T, W, O. 2. Yellow color. Number 3. T, H, R, W. 3. A for X. B, B for bus. C, C for cake. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Brown color, green color, gray color, violet color, dark blue color, yellow color, black color, pink color, purple color, olive color, lime color, red color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A for ant. B, B for bus. C, C for candy. A for ant. A for avocado. B for box. B for butterfly. C for candy. C for car. D for duck. D for door. E for ear. E for egg. F for fox. F for fish. G for glass. G for goat. H for horse. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jar. J for jelly. K for king. K for kids. L for lotus. L for lychee. M for moon. M for mango. N for nest. N for nails. O for oxygen. O for olive. P for princess. P for pencil. Q for queen. Q for quilt. R for rose. R for rainbow. S for school. S for sky. T for train. T for teacher. U for universe. U for university. V for van. V for violin. W for watch. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Y for yum. Z for zero. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.